So this June 25, one variant question number 4, and topic is integration. Now, one general question here. First of all, you can see the question that one curve is given here and one line is given here. So, and a point of intersection of curve and line is given 16. If not given, we have to find. Current situation, this is a 1 and this is a 16. Okay, now first question generally student asks, it's how to do a curve minus line or line minus curve. So which is the best option or right option? Okay, very best idea. I just give an example. This is a curve and is a line. Example. So if I'm looking for this area, so area under curve or just make it a line a little below so you people can understand better. So for example, this. If I'm looking for this answer, so all of you understand very well. So area under curve is more and under area under line is lesser. So in this option, I will say curve minus line. Curve minus line. So same situation, if you look at carefully, but do you know, student, we discussed already when some area above x-axis positive, below x-axis negative. Is obviously this answer become positive, but this answer will become 100% in negative. Reason below x-axis, I think point is very clear. But if the question comes how to do it, so planning is line minus curve or curve minus line. So what is very general question? So area under curve is more or area under line is more. Common sense, curve is more. So your observer's eye is here. Observer's eyes is here. For example, this observer's eye. So curve is farther away and line is closer. So away part is has a more area and closer part has a less area. So I think very clear approach. So curve minus line is the right approach. So I'm writing here shaded area. So I'm writing here x1, x2. So curve integration minus line integration. So this planning is so simple. Now I'm going to implement the formula. And lower limit is 1, upper limit is 16. So x1 is 116 and curve equation is given here. So 5 to power 3 by 2x. This is a x power, sorry. And negative 20x. And one question student may ask here, what a question is, let me tell you, this is not a wrong story. So can we erase this integral sign and can we plug in a same integral sign? Yes, it is allowed. This allowed even. You can write under one integral sign as well. Okay, but here I will do them separate. So, but both availability we have. So let's try to integrate, increase the power by 1 when I increase. So 3 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 1, I get 2 LCM and I got a 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 up and 5 by 2 down. And 20x become increase the power divided by same. This is done. Now a same process here. What is the power of x? 1. So increase the power by 1 divided by same. Here 16x and 1 to 16. Now student don't do directly. First apply this algebra part. When it comes this flips up always. So 5 into 2 over 5 cancel, we got a 2. So this answer comes 2. And as a teacher, I suggest you don't put the limits unless you simplify the maximum. So this which make question easier. So x square by 2 minus 16x and limit 1 to 16. Now I'm applying the limits. So first 16 I apply. 16 to power 5 over 2 minus 10 times to 16 to power 2. Upper limit done. Minus. When I plug in 1 each value, I will get a 1 minus the 2 minus 10. I hope so this part is very, very clear. And wait a minute, let me write another format. So 2 minus 10. So this is my answer of the first part. Now I'm going to do same process for the second part. Minus. So when I plug in 16 all places, so I got a 16 to power 2 by 2 minus 16 into 16. This is done. Okay, now I plug in each value by the 1. Okay, chance of mistake here. So I write a big bracket starts minus a 1 and I replace 1 here and 1 here. I get a 1 over 2 minus 16. So now I have to simplify it maximum. So if I check it, 2 into 16 to power 3 by, sorry, 5 by 2, 5 by 2 and minus 10 times to 16 to power 2. So I get it negative 512 and is a negative 8 and positive 8. So I get this part answer from here. Same way 16 to power 2 divided by 2 minus 16 times to 16. I get negative 128 minus half minus 16. I get a negative 8 here. So I believe it is a very clear. You can type directly in calculator also, no issue at all. But sorry, wait a minute, please. This is a mistake here. I have to write again here. So half minus 16, I get a negative 31 by 2. Once again, let me check. Let me check once again. This is a correct. Yeah, it's all correct. Okay, now negative 128 plus 31 by 2. I'm getting here negative 225 over 2. And finally, negative 504 and plus 225 over 2. My answer is turns to be negative 783 by 2. In decimals, I'm getting negative 391.5 units square. But do you know, students, area above is a positive and below negative. So just mention area is equals to 391.5 units square. So that's it. And question is completely over. I hope so. You got an idea very well.